Now, San Diego's #1 news in the morning.
Well, this is a subject that's really hard to talk about this time of year, but it is important, and there is some information that can help you make it through the holidays in a much safer fashion for those involved in relationships that could turn volatile. Family law attorney Myra Fleischer is here to help guide us through with some of those tips. Myra, good morning to you. Thanks for joining us. It's a tough subject to talk about, but I think it's necessary, and that's why we've brought you in. Yeah. Thanksgiving, just a few days away, can raise the emotions, it can raise some angst. But you're saying that, you should still plan for them, right, and enjoy them?
Absolutely. Everybody should plan for the holidays, make sure that they go to see family and friends and surround themselves if they're in a domestic violence situation or they're just getting out of a domestic violence situation. Make sure that they're surrounding themselves with the people that they care about, that they're somewhere safe with family and people who they feel that they can be comfortable with in a safe location.
Right, and in addition to the don't avoid planning for the holidays part of Thanksgiving and Christmas, you say to go somewhere for the holidays where you can be supported.
Absolutely. You don't want to first of all avoid anything. You always want to make sure that you enjoy your life. You may have come out of or be in the middle of getting out of a bad situation, but you don't want to avoid. You always want to plan. You may have children. You don't want to stop living. Your life goes on.
And put yourself in a supportive situation, as we just mentioned. And also, too, if the situation does arise where there is some kind of confrontation, the first thing you think about, get the kids out of there, right?
Absolutely. It may be your children. It may be other children who are in the room who are not part of your situation. If you're surrounded by family or friends who have children, the first thing that you want to do is either get any minors out of the area, because if there is a confrontation, even if it's not a physical confrontation, domestic violence comes in all forms. It could be verbal, there could be an argument. You always want to get children out of there. You don't want them listening to what's going to happen or what is happening at the moment.
Okay, and also go to a safe neighborhood. Don't corner yourself. That was something that you mentioned to me earlier.
Absolutely. We're all running around doing shopping and picking up things, and maybe you're going to somebody's home, but you're going to bake something, so you need to run to the market. You want to make sure that you go somewhere where there's no dark corners, there's no areas where you can be put in a situation where you can be taken aside and have a perpetrator corner you so that you are at a disadvantage.
All right, Myra Fleischer, thanks very much for coming in this morning and talking about that. And we want to give everybody the hotline number in case you need it, and that number is 1-800-799-SAFE. Myra, thanks very much. Happy holidays to you.
Thank you. Same to you.
Okay.